Hello adventurers and welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are McPeek Adventures. Where are we today, Danny?
We are at a Tulsa Drillers baseball game.
Let's go adventuring! ONEOK Field is located in the Greenwood district of Tulsa, Oklahoma and is home to the Tulsa Drillers baseball team. This beautiful stadium was built in 2010 and has a capacity of just under 8,000. The Tulsa Drillers are the AA affiliate of the Los Angeles Dodgers Major League Baseball team. I'm a huge collector of hats, so we had to stop by the team store to see what our options were. After grabbing merch, we headed to the concession stand. I ended up with the loaded fries, and Danny got a loaded baked potato with chips. The weather was great, so we took advantage of it by exploring the stadium some more. The concourse in left field allowed us to get an up-close look at this incredible Jackie Robinson mural. Next, it was time for me to put my second grade baseball skills to work. Hey, it's faster than I thought.
I don't think I'll be getting a pitching contract anytime soon. Danny found this pickled beer and it was very interesting. We spent the rest of the night at our seats and then were really impressed with this fireworks display.
Alright adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Tulsa Drillers baseball game.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.